Good day and welcome back to my channel. My name is Zama. If it's your first time here, thank you so much for joining me, and do consider browsing through the rest of the channel so you can see what other videos I have, and if you like what you see, you can join the rest of the family. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Today I'm speaking about my favorite topic. Bald spots. Bald spots. That's my favorite topic. And what I want to share today is a secret. It's not really a secret. Well, it won't be anymore, but it's a test. It's a test that you can do at home to find out if your bald spot will grow or not. I'm sure that people who have bald spots, I've been there, you're wondering, will my particular bald spot grow back? You know, I've heard of other success stories, but what about my bald spots? Is my bald spots going to grow back? And this is what I want to share with you today as a test that you can do to find out whether your bald spots can grow back or not. Because there's many reasons why we have bald spots, you know. It could be hereditary, it could be a medical condition, it could be a serious medical condition that has caused you to lose clumps of hair. So we're not the same, our situations are not the same. Traction alopecia, I've talked about that extensively over the last few videos. So this particular video today is just focused on that, on what's this test that you can do at home to find out for your particular case whether you can grow your hair back or not. And there has been many recommendations I'm sure that you have received on what you can do to grow your hair back, but the question remains, is it going to work for you? So here's what I have to share with you today. What I'm sharing today is very temporary. It's a temporary solution. That's why I'm calling it a test, because it's not something that you can use over a long period of time. It really is a test. It's not a product that you want to use long term. The side effects are, we're talking excessive hair growth in places you don't need, your ears, your chin, your cheeks, your breasts, your places you're just going to be shocked to see hair. You're like, whoa. Like, whoa. What's this? So it's definitely a temporary solution. But I'm thinking about, when I was making this video, or when I was planning to make this video, I was thinking about other cases or other times that you might want to use this product as when you have an emergency. Let's say you have an emergency photo shoot, an emergency event. Let's say you need to go to a wedding, or you need to go to your own wedding, and you have your own wedding in a few months, because this test will take a few months. And obviously if you're just testing to see whether your hair will grow back, then you can definitely use this product. Otherwise I wouldn't recommend this product. Like, no, I wouldn't recommend it otherwise. It's just not something that's natural. It's not something that you want to use long term, because the side effects are just horrific. But it's something that you could possibly try short term. So that's why I'm calling it a test, because it's just short term. It's something you want to do short term. It's going to give you peace of mind once you start to see the hair growing. You know that your follicles are still there, they just need some TLC. And then once you know that your follicles are still there, because once you stop using the product, like immediately, within a month, that hair that you grew back is going to be gone, like gone completely. Then you can start doing things like derma rolling and using natural products and your herbs and your leaves, etc. Once you're at peace, you know, and you know that, okay, your hair is going to grow back, it's capable of growing back, you've seen it with your own eyes, then you can stop using that unnatural products, and then you can move on to more natural solutions. So this product that I am telling you about today, or this test that you can do, it's something you can order online. You can go to your pharmacy right now after you watch this video and just go and request it. Not in every country though, not in every country, but in most countries you can definitely get it at your pharmacy, or you can order it online. So every country has access to the internet, so if you're watching this video, then you can definitely get this product. This product is called Minoxidil. Yes, quite a lot of people know about the products, and if you have hair issues, especially if you had them over a long period of time, then it's probably something that you know about. If you don't know about it and it's your first time hearing about it today, well, I'm telling you about it today. And yes, I'm saying to you it's not natural, and you might not even want to try it, but if you really are desperate and you want to know, can my hair grow back, then yes, try some Minoxidil over a couple of months and you'll have your answer. And thereafter you can stop using it, and then use more natural methods like derma rolling, like natural products, like different methods that you can use, that people tell you about, that I tell you about. You can then use those methods to slowly but surely work your way to healthier hair.